Hello dear students, hope all of you are doing well. Today I have brought you a new topic, that is change of voice of interrogative sentences with WH words. I think you already know what is a WH word, or we also call them question words. Words like who, why, what, etc. are called WH words. Before half yearly examination you have done voice change of interrogative sentences. There I taught you how to apply the steps. In fact, I gave you 3 steps there. Here, uh, while we will change the voice of interrogative sentences with WH questions, here we have to add 2 more steps there with the same 3 steps. So let us see the steps in the next slide. So our step number 1 is, the first thing that you have to do is that you have to imagine that the WH word does not exist. Just remove it. You don't have to apply any rule, just remove it. Step number 2, after removing that, you have to change the sentence, turn the sentence into assertive sentence. Step number 3, you have to change the voice from active to passive of that assertive sentence. Step number 4, you have to turn it into interrogative sentence. And the last step, you have to bring back that WH word you have removed. Now, let us apply the steps to the following sentences. Why do you play tennis? Where did you see him? How did you solve the sum? When will you sing a song? You see, in all the 4 sentences, we have used at least one WH word. So now, let us apply the steps to the sentences that we have seen in the previous slide. See, the first sentence was, why do you play tennis? So what we have done there is that we have removed that WH word. So now it is, do you play tennis? Then we have to convert it into assertive sentence. You play tennis. Step number 3, we have to convert this from active to passive voice. Tennis is played by you. Step number 4, we have to convert it into interrogative sentence again. Is tennis played by you? Now the last step, in step number 5, we have to bring back that WH word which we removed in step number 1. So your answer is, why is tennis played by you? As you can see in the screen, all the sentences all the sentences that we have seen in the previous slide have been converted to passive form by applying the steps that we have discussed. One thing that you need to remember is that when a sentence starts with the WH word who, we have to, while converting it into passive form, we have to write by whom in place of who. Now, this you can do directly without applying the steps, or if you want to apply the steps, you can do one thing. You can imagine a name in place of who and apply the steps, and in the final step you can remove that name with who. Like, as you can see some examples in the screen: who helped you, by whom were you helped, who broke the glass, by whom was the glass broken. I'm sending you a PDF file immediately after this video, which contains some solved examples for your convenience. Now it is time to reveal the password of the PDF file. That is, please note it down: 70029332241. I repeat, 70029332241. Thank you.